let's take a quick look at the damage this house suffered because of the earthquake in 2009. My aunt, Zia Deda, used to always say, catastrophes like this take from some and give to others. So let's walk in and I'll explain that. This is the main entrance. These doors will probably be replaced. You use a key to open it. I always found that interesting. Bathroom is in here. This will all be redone, I'm pretty sure. You can see the damage here and here. This is where we had the most damage, in this corner. From the outside, we saw the crack. So that foundation is going to have to be all excavated and rebuilt so that this doesn't happen again. You can see the cracks on the wall here. Some humidity because the roof needs to be replaced and water is getting in here, I'm pretty sure. This is like a narrow, steep staircase up to the second floor and 2 bedrooms. I was probably born in one of those, I think. This would be the dining room. And we can see the slight cracks on the wall. Not that bad. I've been in homes where it's been much worse than this, so we were lucky here. But these will all be restuccoed inside and out, hopefully. It's going to be about 80,000 euro, according to the technician who has estimated the damage and what it takes to repair it. This is the balcony from which I've taken many videos, and where someone can enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning, nice glass of wine in the evening, get quite a view. There are balconies up and down, back into the living room, and this is the kitchen, which will also totally be redone. See, the earthquake takes from some and gives to others. So I lost a pretty good friend in the earthquake. He wasn't home, and unfortunately his wife and 2 children died. He must feel terrible about that. And then fireplace, working fireplace. Dad built that. And upstairs are 2 bedrooms, so just have to be careful on these stairs. I always got nervous when my mom and dad were a little older and we came here and they had to walk up these stairs. This is 1 bedroom, lots of light, and there's a balcony off of it, and one could read out here and get a little different view. There's a house right in front of you, so that's not so cool, but you get this view here. From it, back into the bedroom. All of this will be, these walls are pretty good. And this is the corner. You can see the damage below, but not up here. So that's a good sign, right? And all these windows have screens. You know, I as a kid, I always kind of said, why don't they have screens? Because the house would always be full of flies, especially while you were cooking and eating. This is another bedroom in here. These rooms are pretty cool, actually. You can see the humidity up there, so this roof definitely needs to be repaired. And there's also a little balcony from this bedroom with this view. And Frascara is known for its fig trees, saffron, and truffles. So if you or someone who's interested in coming here, it can be arranged to go on a truffle hunt to get saffron. If you come at the right time of year, which I think is in October or November, it can be picked. And my mom used to always say, "Tre dita alla terra e lucule per l'aria," while she was picking the saffron. The village Castello is up there. That's where my grandparents lived on my mom's side, and I also spent some years there before moving to the United States. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour.